WTDVO007. Name, Cassis Jamaica T. 24 years old, single. 2 years nursing aid grad. 2 years experience as a caregiver DH in United Arab of Emirates. Okay, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Jamaica Cassis. I'm 24 years old. I'm single. And I'm graduate of 2-year course of nursing aid. At San Pedro College. And have experience of 2 years caregiver, domestic helper in the United Arab Emirates.
What is your present location?
Davao City.
How many hours of travel going to Manila?
1 hour and 30 minutes via airplane.
Can you tell me about your family background?
We are 4 in our family, and I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, and I'm the youngest of my family.
If with children, who will take care of them?
I have 2 children, but if I have, maybe my brother and sister.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
My beach experience in Abu Dhabi was like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, and water the plants, and other household.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, Mom, I know.
What are those?
Like lumpia Shanghai, chicken beef noodles, pancit guisado, or beef guisado.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is cleaning, cooking, and listening radio, watching TV.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, Mom.
What about elderly?
Yes, Mom.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, Mom.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, you have to wash the bottles, and then after washing the bottles, you have to sterilize it, and after sterilize, you have to put out hot water in the bottle and mix with it milk. And according to the label in the milk.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
I carry the baby, and if the baby is still crying, I call the madam and wait for their instruction.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
I'll check the temperature, and the fever still persists. I'll do the TSP or if it's sponge bath or towel with warm water and put it in the whole body of the baby.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes, Mom, I know.
Okay, please do.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for the day. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Do you have any other talents?
Yes, Mom.
What are those?
Singing,
And
dancing, cooking, cleaning the house.
if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just make busy myself cleaning the house or other household.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No.
What will you do?
First, I call them and ask them what is the problem. If I can help them, I can send money or what.
What could you teach the children?
I could teach them like how to read alphabet, how to numbers, colors, shapes.
How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
2 years, Ma'am, according to my contract. If my employer wants me to stay with them, it's depending on them. And because Hong Kong is a good place and the people are good, and the place also is beautiful.
Okay, thank you.